Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another session. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Keturah, and on this channel you can expect to find content on home refresh videos, interior styling tips and ideas, and some lifestyle. So guys, if you like watching these kinds of videos, I would ask that you please watch the content, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing and becoming part of the family. So yes guys, so I am in my small entryway, and I will be doing some light cleaning and some decorating. I am going to be adding a few new pieces to the space, so if you are interested in seeing what the space turns out to be, please continue watching.
Beautiful life, beautiful day. 내 곁에서 머물러줘. Beautiful my love, beautiful your heart. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life.
So the mirrored sconces on either side of the canvas, they are actually a DIY project, and I did feature it in one of my earlier videos. And in case you are interested in seeing how I created those sconces, those mirror sconces, I will link the video in the description box, so feel free to look at it.
곁에서 함께 할 수 있도록. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 미시도록 너 사랑해서 떠나. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잊고 싶지 않아. Beautiful my love, beautiful your heart. It's beautiful life. 세상에 너와 닮은 추억이 도록 그러니 내게 남겨져 있어. 너와의 기억, 너와의 추억. It's sorrowful life, sorrowful day. 슬픔을 이기지 못하는 내게. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. 내 곁에서 떠나지 마. 추억 속에 내가 서지 않도록. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에 서 있을게. Beautiful life. 하늘아.
Alright guys, so this plant is also a recent purchase. If you are new here, this is a recent purchase, and I got it also from Amazon. It is actually 6 feet tall. So what I'm trying to do here now is to try to adjust the height a little bit. So I'm doing this by first removing some of the leaves that are at the top of the plant, and that would reduce the height just a little bit. And I also picked up this planter from Home Sense. Now if you've been watching for a while, you would know that I typically decorate in gold and black, and I use caramel as my accent color. So I found that this planter was just perfect to go in my space. The planter comes with this insert. I won't be needing the insert because the plant is really tall. The insert is actually for a short plant if you want to give height to a short plant. So I'm going to be removing the insert, and I'm going to place the plant inside the planter.
너의 눈물, 너의 미소도 곁에서 함께 할 수 있도록. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 미시도록 너 사랑해서 떠나. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잊고 싶지 않아. Beautiful my love, beautiful your heart. It's beautiful life. 세상에 너와 닮은 추억이 도록 그러니 내게는 여전히 있어. 너와의 기억, 너와의 추억. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. 슬픔을 이기지 못하는 내게. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day.
Okay, so next I'm going to be using two throw blankets that I have just lying around. I'm not really using these throws, so I'm going to be using them inside of the planter.
It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게.
Then I'm going to be using these picks from two floral balls that I had picked up from Dollarama. So I just pulled the picks apart, and that's what I'm using to cover up the throw blankets inside of the planter. So yes guys, so you can use that, or you can use moss, you can use pebbles, moss pebbles, but I'm just using what I have on hand right now.
Beautiful day. 너의 기억에서 내가 살 텐데. Beautiful life, beautiful.
Yeah, so this is what the plant turned out to be. Yeah, I'm satisfied with what it looks like. To me, it's a drastic difference in height. So, but as always, I want to hear from you guys. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about this little DIY project.
It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. 언제나 너 지켜줄게. It's beautiful life. 내게 기대서 가 있게. Beautiful life. 너의 눈물, 너의 미소도 곁에서 함께 할 수 있도록. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 미시도록 너 사랑해서 떠나. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잊고 싶지 않아. Beautiful my love, beautiful your heart. day 네 곁에서 떠나지마 추억 속에 내가 서지 않도록 It's beautiful life
I've been walking down this empty road. Every step feels heavy, every night so cold. You were my reason, you were my light. Now I'm lost in the dark, can't find the fight. You left me with echoes, whispers in the rain. The sound of your goodbye is driving me insane. Oh, the echoes of a broken heart, they linger in the silence, tear me apart. I'm reaching for a shadow, holding on to air. You left me here, but your ghost is everywhere. Oh, the echoes, they never fade away. Still crying for you, each and every day.
Alright guys, so this candle warmer lamp, this is from Amazon also. It's a new find. What drove me to buy this lamp is the fact that it has a feature where you can adjust the height of the lamp depending on the height of the candle you use. So what I've found, because I do have another candle warmer lamp on the kitchen table, but what I've found is when I use a shorter candle, it takes like forever for the wax to melt. But then when I use the taller candle, because it is closer to the source of heat, it starts to melt in minutes. So with this particular candle warmer lamp, this one in particular, it has that feature where you can adjust the height depending on the height of the candle that you use. So I found that was a really cool idea. It also comes with a dimmer and a timer.
They never fade away. Still crying for you, each and every day. But one day I'll rise, I'll break free. These chains of your memory won't hold me. Though your echoes hurt, I'll find my way. Through the pain, through the storm, to a brighter day. Oh.
Alright guys, so we have made it to the end of another video, and as usual, if you stayed with me right up until the end, thank you very much. Thank you a million times over. Like I said, it's important to allow the video to run right through to the end, because it does make a difference in how the video shows up. And so thank you so much again for spending time with me, and I hope you were inspired in some way. I hope you were able to take something, to get something out of the content. And as always, it is now time for your participation. I would like to hear from you guys. You can participate by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to the channel if you have not yet done so. And to close out today's video, I am going to leave you with this scripture reading from Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verses 13 and 14. And it reads, "This is the end of the matter. All has been heard. Fear Elohim and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For Elohim will bring every work into judgment, with every hidden thing, whether it is good or whether it is evil."